Wincle Energy Storage has fully automated battery cell manufacturing and pack production lines complete with automated cell testing, pack testing, and error-free cell welding. From cell loading to the final module production, all data is monitored through our Manufacturing Execution System, or MES for short, giving comprehensive quality control of products to meet our strict quality control standards. Automated pack assembly lines use real-time data through MES at each process station, feeding back information to the AGV intelligent scheduling system. This ensures accurate, efficient pack assembly. After pack assembly, the liquid-cooled pack goes through high-precision testing and is integrated with the pack enclosure, which is then auto-optimized to enhance thermal conductivity. Each battery pack is equipped with an MSD maintenance switch that features short-circuit, overcurrent protection, and additional fire suppressant system for 100% battery safety. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.